Hi, I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today is another in the series of Helga's Happy Holidays. And today I'm making mint candies. Mint cream cheese candies. And if I had thought to do it ahead of time, I would have ordered the Teaberry mint extract. Teaberry is a popular flavor in this area with Cole region and PA Dutch area. It's a kind of mint. You'll often find Teaberry ice cream and other offerings here locally during the summer, including at Knoebels. But I didn't think I had far enough ahead to order it because you can't find it just in the store. So I'm doing mint ones instead, as in peppermint, and I actually like them better. But for the Teaberry fans, I will also give the instructions, the amount for Teaberry extract to make the Teaberry cream cheese mints. But today we're doing peppermint cream cheese mints. So let's get to it. This is a pretty simple recipe. 4 ounces of cream cheese, half pound of cream cheese, tablespoon of butter, room temperature, peppermint extract, a little vanilla extract, 4 cups of powdered sugar, and gel food coloring. And you want to use the gel because you don't want the extra liquid from using liquid food coloring. I've put the cream cheese and the butter in my stand mixer. Use a paddle attachment, and I'm going to beat this until smooth. It's going to take a couple minutes. And you can see that's beaten creamy. I'm going to add 2 cups of the confectioner's sugar, or half. That's about right. And just mix that on medium speed. I'm going to add my 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you can add between a half to 1 teaspoon of the mint extract depending on how minty you want it. So that's 1, and we'll mix that in well before adding the rest of our powdered sugar. Now I'm going to gradually start adding in the rest of our confectioner's sugar to finish. The eventual dough that we want is to be the consistency of Play-Doh, so if it's still a little sticky or tacky, we'll add a little bit more confectioner's sugar to get to that consistency. So I've taken my mint candy dough here. I put it divided in 4 bowls because I'm going to add a little food coloring so we can make some different colors. And then I'm going to make each one into about 1-inch balls, and we're going to then put them on a cookie tray with parchment paper, because then they're going to have to dry for a while. I'm going to mix these up. So here they are, all mixed up, and I'm going to roll them into the little balls, and we're going to put them on the trays. This is just the first tray. I take my hands and actually coat them in confectioner's sugar, and I'm just going to smush these down like that. And that's the other thing. If you need to, here we go. And then I'm going to put these downstairs, and they're going to have to dry overnight. And the second tray's done and ready to go in. We've got this drying. They have to dry for at least 8 hours. And they're ready. Aren't they pretty? So here they are. Aren't they pretty? And you could do Christmas colors, red and green if you wanted to. I just use these because they're pretty. And mints often come in different colors. Like I said, you can do these in any kind of flavor. I used peppermint because it's what I had, because I forgot to order the tea berry ahead of time. But you can use other extract flavors too, like lemon, or I like the citrus ones. But you know, it's whatever you like. Mike actually likes these plain with no flavoring, and I'm going to do a plain batch for him. But these are peppermint, and these are not like, these remind me of the peppermint puffs that you can get here around this time of year. I used a full teaspoon, and that was good for a good peppermint flavor. They sat overnight to dry, as much as they're going to dry because they have cream cheese in them, and then you keep them refrigerated. Believe it or not, mint is not my favorite thing, but I like these. Those are good. I like the Starlight Mints and like the candy cane, peppermint, and the peppermint puffs. And like I said, these remind me of the peppermint puffs. They're sweeter with the peppermint. They're really good though. And like I said, they're really pretty, and you saw they're really easy. And these would be fun to make with the kids too. These were always on the table with a lot of the grandparents' houses at Christmas time or the other holidays. So those are my cream cheese mints. Give them a shot. They're easy, they're fun, and you can customize them any way you want. I like lemon ones. So give it a shot and wait for the next one here in Helga's Happy Holiday series.